The layer toolbox is viewable again via options or typing the letter Q, and we hit the layer tab, and in the layer tab here we're able to enter our different layer names. We can assign colors and we can assign line types. We can move layers, we can save layers, we can delete layers, we can make them current, we can copy the layer, we can lock them, we can unlock them all, show them all, or hide them all. So if we've got here, this first layer is highlighted in grey, if we click in here, we can enter a name, and we'll just type in, centerline. We'll assign a color, hit the swatch, make that red, OK, assign a style, and center, and OK, apply, OK.